Hi, I'm Derek from Haines Hunter. I've been here a fair while. I don't know it all yet, but one day I will. My role here is to fix the problems, make sure everything flows freely, talk to the guys, keep everyone happy and keep the product going out the door. Started here 2nd of June 1981, so I've been here 40 years or 42, 3. Yeah, the variety of boat building, it's never boring. You can come in and think you have a plan and things change. You get to do woodwork machining, you get to do fiberglassing, you get to do a lot of upholstery work and gluing of fabrics. And every boat within the 7 or 10 day sequence that you're working on, one day you can be doing a grotty job, so other days you're doing jobs you really like. You can be working with the teak. The parts you don't like will not last for long. You just move into the next part. And you get pleasure of getting the boat done quick too and move on to the next one. Yeah, the special thing about our hull construction is it's no expense spared. There's some fancy products in the stringer materials that no one else is using. There's vacuum bag techniques, the same technology they use on America's Cup boats. We're doing that here too. With the one person per boat method of building the boat, you do have pride in your work and you have the other people looking at what you're doing and telling you how their one's better, and the product is constantly improved because of the workforce. Well, the one person per boat method is where you get a hull and deck bonded and it's all your responsibility. You've got to let people know what materials you haven't got, what issues you've got. You'll be doing the wiring, you'll be doing the plumbing of water systems, you'll be doing the upholstery, carpeting inside the boat, you'll be sticking down the Ultralon product. Everything is up to you, and when the boat's finished, then a QC man comes along and checks everything you do to make sure you've done it right. I like coming to work in the morning, to meet up with the team that you're working with every day. There's a lot of banter goes on and there's a lot of fun and good times, and it's the people and getting the product done. And for me, it's the multiple activities. Like, I don't do one thing at once. There's always something in the back of your mind, and even when you go home, you'll be designing stuff in the steam of the shower door and drawing. Just making sure something's going to work. You're always thinking about the next day. The ride just keeps getting better in these boats because of the history of the product, and we go out in them and we know that it could do with a bigger strake size, or it would be nicer with a reverse shear to make it prettier, and motor heights and keeping up with new technology. Every boat is an evolution of the one before, so with so much history behind the company, we can say the boats get better each time.